afternoon and welcome back to the channel. It's been a little while, I do apologise. Christmas happened and I really hope that you all got everything that you wanted. So today I'm just out for a little tootle about, just to get out in the fresh air, get out in the Cotswolds and try out my new kit. Woo! To update you, I've been treating myself to various goodies. You know, I've used the Insta 360 X2 now for a couple of 3 years and it's just been the most fantastic camera. However, I decided to do a bit of an upgrade. So now you're watching me on the Insta 360 X4. What a piece of kit! Oh, it's just like so much more user-friendly with a big giant screen on the back. Anyway, aside from that, another little treat. And I do pay for all this myself. This isn't sponsored in any way. This is me digging deep in my pockets, saving my pennies from my hard-earned cash, and I'm buying some goodies. So I've also bought the DJI Mini microphone system. So I really hope you can hear me a little bit better. I found that my Movo, they were just cheap, generic Amazon microphone systems, and you know, you've seen it on my channel if you watch the other stuff, that they've let me down quite regular. So after much research and head scratching on what goes with the X4 and what doesn't, and the minefield is wireless microphones, I settled for the DJI Mini. So far, so good. I've been able to hook it up without any issue whatsoever. I'm not even using their transmitter. Now, I was going to stop at the Roll Right Stones, but it's like super busy. I might just pull over. Hang on a minute. There we go. So yeah, I'm not even using DJI's transmitter. The microphone is hooked straight up to the X4 with no bother at all. Doesn't stop me from saying does it? So yeah, it hooks up with no bother at all. So if you just go into the X4's menu and match with headphones, this DJI Mini microphone setup, it just links straight away with absolutely no issue. So yeah, there it is, teeny tiny little microphone. Anyway, I am probably not going to stop here because I wanted to fly the drone and I was hoping it was going to be a bit quiet, but it's pretty busy, so I'm not going to. So I'm just going to decide where to go next. So I'm just checking out the windproofability on this microphone. Let's see how it performs. It might be terrible, but you've got to test this gear. I've decided I'm going to head to Chesterton windmill now. Roll Right was too busy to put the drone up, and I would quite like to throw the drone up. It's quite a nice day. So I'm really loving the buttons on the X4 camera. It's a lot more user-friendly being on a bike. So they've added switches to the facing side, so when you want to start recording and stop recording, the buttons are right there rather than trying to faff about with that tiny little circular button that used to be on the old one. This has got a real nice button. I like buttons. Right, let's shut that down because it's quite cold. So did you all have a nice Christmas? I had a really lazy one. Literally just ate and slept. It's been quite nice, really. The weather was rubbish. I mean, if you're in the UK, you knew that we just had this weird fog for about 4 days, and it was just like so miserable out. Who wants to go out in that? So it was the perfect opportunity to hibernate, eat cheese, watch rubbish telly, catch up on the YouTube channels. Yeah, see what's happening in the world of YouTube. Oh my goodness me, if you watch Itchy Boots, goodness me, go to her channel and see what she's doing. She actually inspired me a lot to get the Himalayan after seeing her ride hers across India. So here we go, Chesterton windmill, one of Warwickshire's most famous landmarks, stood on this hilltop overlooking the village of Chesterton for nearly 350 years. Obviously its sails aren't on today, but yeah, it stands out pretty proud on the hilltop. There's a beautiful sunset behind it, so let's take a walk up and have a look. This is the ultimate test for my microphone setup because it's so windy. Oh, my drone did well to fly in that. God, it's gone cold. Okay, I'll get my heated gloves on the way home. But it's only been a shorty one today, just a little pookle to try, like I say, try out this new kit. I really hope it's worked. If not, it'll be a good learning curve. Oh, somebody just about to reverse into duck. Left me no room whatsoever. Ah, loads of parking. Let's block Doug in. Right, I've just plugged in my heated gloves. Ah. And we'll start making our way home. It's funny, you know, whenever you've got a drone in your hand, you always get somebody question you. So there's like this old dude that's parked behind me, super close. He's like, "Oh, have you got your lunch bag with you?" Well, it's clear it's not a lunch bag. I went, no, it's a drone. He went, "Oh, spying on people." No. People hate drones. It's the weirdest thing, you know. I don't go looking in through people's windows. I can if you want me to, but I really don't want to. Anyway, let's get rolling. Trying to back into his car. Alright, I've got to turn round. There we go. And just see Chesterton windmill up there. Be sure to come and pay it a visit if you just want like a stroll, blow the cobwebs out a little bit. Nice little walk. I don't know if you can see that sky, but wow. Red sky at night. I don't know if it's going to be Shepherd's Delight. There's a big storm forecast to roll in tomorrow. so that's just a shorty one today. Again, like I've said before, just to test my new camera and my new microphone setup. I also bought the Galaxy S10 Plus tablet, so I'm hoping I can edit on that. So the files on this new X4 are going to be so much bigger. But hey, we'll soon find out. I might just have to revert back to my laptop and hope for the best. So anyway, if you've enjoyed today, if you want further review on any of this gear, just shout. You know, I'm happy to do that, but I don't want to be boring either. I just wanted you to know I've got some new gear, and I'm dead excited. If you enjoyed today, short and sweet, don't forget to hit that like button, hit the subscribe, and I swear the videos will get more interesting than this as we head into 2025. In the meantime, I'd like to wish you a very happy new year, and thank you to you all for your subscriptions this year. It's really blown my little socks off. Until then, I'll see you next time. Happy New Year!